बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। इय्याका नअबुदु व इय्याका नस्तईन। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मदिन व बारिक सल्लि अलैहि। Dear colleagues, this is OPS scan for anomaly. Here we can appreciate that this is the urinary bladder, and here this one is the posterior urethra, which is dilated, and the urinary bladder is distended. The fetus has a gestational age of almost 15 weeks, and the urinary bladder measures approximately 40 mm, 40 millimeter. So here we can say that this is likely posterior urethral wall, due to which the posterior urethra is dilated with secondary megacystitis, and look at the position of the baby. This position is due to the lack of liquor. Liquor is markedly, significantly reduced due to the bladder outflow obstruction. And another pathology is, we can see that here at this level in the anterior abdominal wall, at this level, there is defect at the umbilical region, through which these gut loops has been herniated. This is the defect. Here we can see this one from here to here. And this one, we measure it, it's almost 9 millimeter defect. So through which these have been, the intestines have been herniated out. This one. So this may be omphalocele or gastroschisis. And the omphalocele, the umbilical artery should be present in the mid portion of the defect, while in the gastro end there should be covering membrane. These are the intestines, and there should be covering membrane around the herniated segments, while in the gastroschisis there should be no covering membrane around the bowel loops which have been herniated, and the umbilical artery should be present on the side of the herniated segment. I mean to say the umbilical cord, which contains the umbilical vessels, veins and artery in the gastroschisis, these should be present on the side of the herniated bowel loops. So now I am going to show you the umbilical cord or umbilical artery by putting the colored Doppler. So here we can appreciate that these are the segment, herniated segment, and the umbilical artery is going on the side of the herniated segment. Otherwise it should be through this region. So it is along the urinary bladder and it is on the side. So likely it is the case of gastroschisis. I am going to see the Doppler waveform. We can see that this artery is along the side of the herniated segment. So these are the 2 points which we can differentiate between the gastroschisis and omphalocele. So this is the defect in the anterior abdominal wall. This here, and these are the bowel loops which are not having covering membrane, and along this side the umbilical cord is present. So this is the case of gastroschisis, and the posterior urethral wall with secondary megacystitis. This is the unibladder, this is the defect, these are the herniated bowel loops. These are. Thank you very much.